हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू अमेजिंग लाइफ। कैसे हैं आप सब? उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सब जहाँ भी हैं अमेजिंग हैं। दोस्तों, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आप सबका। आप सब हमारी लाइव देखते हैं, स्टोरीज देखते हैं, पोस्ट रिस्पॉन्ड करते हैं, इतना सारा लव लाइक दे रहे हैं, उसके लिए बहुत 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 शुक्रिया। थैंक यू सो मच एंड इट मीन्स अ लॉट टू अस। रियली इट मीन्स अ लॉट टू अस। तो दोस्तों, आज की जो हमारी गेस्ट है ना, वो बहुत ही अमेजिंग है। उनके बारे में मैं बहुत कुछ बताऊंगी, बट सबसे पहले आपसे कुछ बात करती हूँ। दोस्तों, कभी आपने सोचा है एंगर फास्टिंग, अबाउट डूइंग एन एंगर फास्टिंग? व्हाट इज एंगर फास्टिंग एक्चुअली? एंगर फास्टिंग इज अ फास्टिंग वेयर जहाँ हम लोग एंगर नहीं होते हैं, लाइक वी जस्ट क्विट एंगर. It's a 1 week fasting we can keep to have that practice in our own self, to have more and more calmness to our own self. So ये try करके देखिए। आप जब भी ये लाइव देख रहे हैं ना, तब से लेके एक हफ्ता आप एंगर फास्टिंग करें। उस एक हफ्ते में आपको गुस्से होना ही नहीं है। नो मैटर वॉट, मतलब कुछ भी हो रहा हो, आपको एक हफ्ता गुस्से होना ही नहीं। भले एक हफ्ते के बाद आप फील इट, जो भी है, बट तब तक तो सब कुछ नॉर्मल हो जाएगा। बट एक हफ्ता आपको गुस्सा नहीं होना है। ट्राई दिस मेथड एंड रियली इट वर्क्स। जैसे सोशल मीडिया फास्टिंग इज ट्रेंडिंग नाउ, I think this should also trend more and more. Anchor fasting really helps you to calm down, really helps you in all the areas of your life. आपका business हो, career हो, job, profession, love, relationship, home, family, kids, dealing with anything. Anchor fasting really helps you to calm down. So try this and really you can see the results. एक हफ्ते के बाद आपको अच्छा लगे तो और एक हफ्ते का आप एंगर फास्टिंग रख सकते हैं। एंड दिस गोज एंड ऑन एंड आफ्टर फ्यू मंथ्स you will be without anger and that will be really amazing and really awesome. So try this, ये try करें। चलिए हम हमारी गेस्ट से कनेक्ट करते हैं एंड देयर इज सो मच टू नो अबाउट हर बिकॉज शी इज़ रियली अमेजिंग। शी इज़ रियली अमेजिंग। सो हमारी गेस्ट आ रही है, तब तक हम आपसे गेस्ट के बारे में बात करते हैं कि व्हाट स्पेशल शी इज़ हैविंग। आवर गेस्ट टुडे, शी इज़ प्रेमिला जी हिंगुरानी एंड शी इज़ 75 year old। सिर्फ 75 ही अमेजिंग नहीं है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं वो अमेजिंग हैं। एट द एज ऑफ 75 ईयर शी इज़ fitness enthusiastic. Once again, I'm adding her. Let me add her. Yes, we are adding her. So at the age of 70, she is fitness enthusiastic. She is Pinkathon ambassador. She is also teaching kids who are underprivileged and educating them by doing some activities with them. And she is also involved in social causes. Hello, Auntie. How are you?
Hi, Sheetal. I'm absolutely amazing early morning.
Yeah,
Am I
you got it.
visible in a
Amazing.
proper way? You can see me?
Yeah, absolutely
Okay.
gorgeous and visible.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot for joining me with today,
Yeah,
making
yeah,
me
sure.
your guest.
Oh, we are grateful actually to have you actually. So, Auntie, let me
Thank you. Thank
finish.
you.
Let me finish. Yeah, let me finish your introduction actually. So she is also volunteering some social projects like beach cleaning, plastic recycling, and there are so much more projects like Zero Slum, Mumbai, and so much more. And she has so many medals and so many certificates. You can see on her, right now, you can see so many. And she is a marathon runner and बहुत कुछ कर रही है आंटी। Really, she is doing so much. She also loves aerobics, Zumba. At the age of 75, it's all about what she says. This is a side effect of a good health. When you have a good health, these are the side effects of it. You know, this is awesome side effect. पता है आंटी मैंने कभी इतने अच्छे side effects नहीं देखे. You know, these are the amazing side effects you have. Really, this is amazing. And the special thing is, she has a very kind heart and she has the intention to serve other. That is really mind blowing, and that really resonates with me. So, और एक चीज, अगर आप गूगल में टाइप करेंगे आंटी 72, everything about her will come to you, because she has, you know, everything about her childhood, about her journey and everything. But today we are going to talk something different. So आज हम वो सब बात नहीं करेंगे. आज हम आंटी से जानेंगे कुछ सीक्रेट्स, मंत्र जानेंगे, फिटनेस मंत्र और भी बहुत कुछ. So let's talk that more, and let's welcome our guest today. आंटी बहुत 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 शुक्रिया आपका अमेजिंग लाइफ पर आने के लिए. थैंक यू सो मच. वी आर रियली ग्रेटफुल टू हैव यू.
Thank you so much. I'm feeling blessed to be with you.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. So, auntie, are you comfortable? Let's start.
Absolutely.
Okay. आंटी, सबसे पहले हम जानना चाहेंगे कि आप इतने आपका फिटनेस मंत्र क्या है? What is the secret? You know, that fitness secret क्या है आपकी?
Since you started with the word fitness mantra, let me tell you, I am one of the member of the group Fitness Mantra, and which is under the leadership of my aerobics sir, Kumar Bhatt sir.
Okay.
We used to do pre-pandemic aerobics behind Arogya Nidhi at Juhu. Now he takes classes online. So I salute my fitness guru. And my other fitness mantra is connected with my Ajit Pathak. He is the lead ambassador of Pinkathon, who keeps on throwing different challenges. And I, one of at 75, also take the challenges and keep going ahead in my life. And other fitness mantra is there are so many things, like, you know, now because we have so much time, so we do a lot of social work. We go live on the Zoom, we go live on with you and spread happiness. And fitness mantra is I have been fit right from the childhood. I'm blessed by my God that He has given me a very healthy life. Being a mother of three, I never had any problems with my health till today. So fitness mantra is in your hands, how active you are. Give yourself a me time of 1 or 2 hours. Don't neglect your exercise, just like we don't neglect our children. Health is like a child. You have to attain it and retain it. You should not leave it. Your health is in your body, and your body is your life partner. So it can't be without health. Absolutely. Your life partner is not your husband, your children. Your life partner is your body. So take care of it. So think of your health more than anything else. So that's all. I brisk walk every day, and I do a lot of social work. Keeps me mentally occupied qualitatively. So I enjoy doing all those things.
Yeah. So basically, actually, you're working physically also, mentally also, and you're working emotionally also. So all these things are making you overall, you know, so fit and so enthusiastic, actually.
Absolutely. I'm very enthused about everything. Whatever I do it properly and try to give my best and keep myself over busy. So that's it.
Yes. So, Auntie, tell me about that, you know, that one thing, that one very important thing that inspires you so much about doing so many things. मतलब आप एक चीज नहीं कर रहे हो, आप सब कुछ कर रहे हो. Like, you know, you're cooking also, you're making underprivileged
झाड़ू
kids.
पोछा भी करती हूँ. मेरे घर का झाड़ू पोछा भी मैं ही करती हूँ, including dusting and cleaning and everything. And I'm proud that I'm able to do it. So there's nothing feeling shy about it. We did 6-7 months without maids. So I continue to do that.
Absolutely, absolutely. Hats off to that. Really, really. That's really amazing. So, you know, आप कैसे कर रहे हो इतना सब? Because आप social causes में भी आप volunteering कर रहे हैं. आप, you know, you're just running marathons also. You're doing so many things. So how, you know, what is that one thing that, you know, inspires you so much?
My own health and my cool nature inspires me the maximum. And then whenever I have free time, I go through there are so many inspiring stories in the website pages, Humans of Bombay, Humans of Hindustan, Amazing Life. You people have made us famous. And I read their stories, and when I go through their experiences, I feel, oh my God, they are doing so much, suffering so much and still smiling. So I feel I, compared to them, I'm blessed. So my own health inspires me. Age is just a number, as everybody says. But for me, age is age. 75, my bones must not be as strong as your bone. My bones, my everything, my hair have grayed. So we have to take care of our health, and my own health inspires me maximum. And to
That
keep my bones active, I have to remain active. So
that
that's it.
very
You
awesome.
people inspire me most. You people inspire me most.
Oh, that's so lovely to hear that. That's so lovely. So, Auntie, you are great, but gracefully, the way you have been graying, you are graying gracefully. So that's really awesome. Yeah, really.
I have not touched a pencil also on my head. See, the credit goes to my children. I swear, when my children started going to college, my hair started growing like Indira Gandhi. And I had a short hair, so I was known as Indira Gandhi because I was very strong. But
Oh,
my children never felt shy that mama has gray hair when other mothers have black hair. So when they got married, my son didn't had black hair. So I used to ask my children, should I dye my hair? Though it was not willingly. So they said, no, we are happy with you. So I never dyed my
whatever.
hair, and I aged gracefully with my blonde hair. Even today,
That
my wrinkles in the age of Botox, I don't apply too much makeup or creams to look young or hide my wrinkles. I'm proud I have wrinkled hands and gray hair at 75.
right.
But my
That
health, my energy is important. My enthusiasm is important. So gray
yeah,
has nothing to do with my health.
yeah.
And
And
as everybody says, the blonde hair suits me. So I'm happy with it. Yes,
yeah, actually, because you know why? Because you are so comfortable in your own skin that you reflect
absolutely.
that way outside, and that is lovable about you, and that is also a learning from you. Because we get so conscious about our looks and our, but because you are so comfortable the way you are, that is also an inspiring journey. Because this is the very first thing we start with self love. Really, really, it's very
Yes,
amazing.
I know.
So much to learn
Yes,
from
I
you,
know.
actually.
But in so many ways, I feel I bless my children are comfortable with me. My samdins are comfortable with me. That's more important. Your family has to be with you, supportive of whatever
Ab-
you are. Your family
Absolutely.
support is very important. So
Yes.
I feel that God has been very kind to me. God has
That,
been too much kind to me. So I don't
great.
have any complex of my wrinkles and gray hair.
That's great. That's great.
And
Auntie,
I
tell me.
stand out in the crowd. I stand out in the crowd. I can tell you one of the marathons, Abhishek Bachchan called me on the stage. Maybe he saw me dancing with grey hair. So he said, come on, auntie. And I went on the DNA. And my Pinkathon marathon, Milan keeps calling me on the stage. So his credit goes to my grey hair.
So see, there is so much, to learn from you. Auntie, tell us about like how was your lockdown? Because pre-lockdown, before lockdown, you were doing so many things, and after lockdown, how the things went?
See, lockdown was lockdown as for you, that much for me. We were
Right.
locked inside the house. But
Absolutely.
for a second, from day one, I never kept quiet. I started helping. See, when everything was under the lockdown, even banyas were closed, except milk and chemist. Nothing was open. So
Right.
we society members formed the group. I live in a society of 39 members. We had to have groceries. We had to have vegetables. We had to have fruits. So we used to call, somebody else used to call the D-Mart or Banya for home delivery. So
Right.
I was the one, along with three, four more, to go to the room where the groceries was stocked, then segregate, then call the members down. And then we kept ourselves busy helping each other. I was
Great.
like a refined watchman for my society. One second. Huh? See, the society watchman also had need a break,
Right.
going to the washroom, going to the other work. So I used to, my house is very close to the society gate. I stay on the ground floor. So I used to take care that nobody should come in, and if any important person is coming in, he should sanitize, his temperature should be checked. So I feel proud that I was helping my society members because my house is situated like that and my nature is helping nature. So I did all that. And in the lockdown, we couldn't do without Safai Karmacharis. We couldn't do without our society watchmen. We couldn't do without security. These three things were important. And nothing was available, not even a cup of tea. So the thought came in my mind, they will work better if they are given a hot cup of tea. So I started giving biscuits and tea early morning. And I was enjoying it and they were enjoying it, having a hot cup of tea. And I never gave them in a small, tiny paper cup. I used to give them my steel cup and glasses. So to see the smile on their faces, it gives you energy and it puts my hemoglobin in order. My BP is in order when I do the social work. So that's how my lockdown started, helping others. And now slowly, everything opened up. Now, chai, pani, everything was available. But for my security and for my Safai Karmachari and people who come to wash cars, I continue to give them tea. As on today also, I have finished distributing tea and I give breakfast to 3 people. I am not boasting just because you're asking how was my lockdown. Otherwise, I normally don't discuss this. But then I keep myself busy. And there were so many things. See, because of lockdown, this Zoom started. Otherwise, we didn't know what the Zoom meetings were. I was never Facebook Live. I never went on Facebook Live till today. You are the first one bringing me live on Facebook. This is my Facebook first live. And then Zoom meeting also. I avoided till October. But in October, one of the professor from Vishakhapatnam, she called me and she said that she wanted me to address to the students of psychology. No, it was so amazing to think at this age I have to address postgraduate. So then I told her I need 2-3 days to learn what is Zoom meeting. So she postponed the meeting for a week for me to understand. And then I downloaded Zoom with help of my friends, family members, and I went live on 10th of October. So these things we have learned only because of lockdown and because of my enthuse about learning. So I did quite many things in the lockdown. There were so many things. We went live for my aerobic surf classes because fitness is very important. I never listened to the TV Ramdev. I started following him. I started really honestly following him to see what he has to say. And then I added energy to my health. See, energy and stamina is very important even if you're healthy. And then I started, roads were empty. So I used to walk when the sun was rising after 9 when I was free from my routine. And I used to walk for an hour and then go for the meetings, talk to my children, video calling. So all these things kept me very busy. And then 2 incidences I'll tell you. Give me a second.
So see, in lockdown
One
also
of
you are
no,
so much more, you know.
one of fruit vendors, his leg was swollen and there was nobody to take him to the hospital. And he was just outside my friend's house. So my friend called me. Now I can't go out to the hospital. So on the video calling and all, I connected myself with the doctors. I know one Gidwani Prakash sir who is connected with Cooper Hospital. We got him admitted there, got the operation done. So it was not my alone work. It is a combination of the group of people who helped me. But I was one of them to help him. Then there was a friend of mine who had just come back from hospital for her own sickness and her mother wanted immediate attention. She had some urine infection and then she couldn't find any help. She couldn't find any nurse. So, and by chance I called her at that time. She had put even on the Twitter for the help. And by grace of God, that time only I called her to ask her how were things with her. And then she said, Primla, I'll call you afterwards. I'm not getting any help for my mother. Then I started coordinating from my side, and I sent 2 nurses within 1 hour. I must have made more than 20 calls. And the
Oh.
nurses went to her house to help her mother, and she thanked me on the Twitter. So these
Right.
things, maybe one day, a good job, one job a day keeps you going. So I've
Yes.
been doing lot many things. I've been doing lot many things during the
That
lockdown also. So these are
that
few examples. But
yeah.
my helping nature is only because I'm healthy. So these are the side effects of good health. These are
Right.
the side effects of good health. And I, for one, I volunteer rather than somebody coming and asking me for help. I volunteer to help. So that gives me more satisfaction that
Right.
I'm doing my job well at this age. So lockdown has not put us into any trouble as such. Lockdown was for our good. We could hear that, thankfully TV was on. So we were getting all the information. So we had to be very careful. The government was so careful with the public that we were saved, and
Right.
putting big posters, whoever was sick in the society, so that we don't interact with those people, was amazing. Like your amazing life, everything was amazing in lockdown. So not that I wanted lockdown to continue, but I enjoyed my lockdown. I learned Zoom, I learned going live, and I attended all those NGO Zoom meetings. What is happening? What are they doing? So it kept the smile on my face, and my
That's
own
nice.
cooking, cleaning kept me busy. So that's
See,
it. Lockdown was
Neha,
a blessing for. Tell
I
me.
think Neha is typing for you, Primla ji. You are a gem, always inspiring.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Thanks a ton. So that is what lockdown has not troubled anybody, except yes, many people were affected financially. Jobs were not there. People went really out of control because schools and colleges were closed. 24 hours the family was united. But that was for good also, that you gave quality time, but it was bad because there were too many fights. We live in a spacious houses, but going down the line, slums or chawl system, there used to be many fights because
Right.
all the time, and they are like, a family of 4 5 children. So there was lot many problems also, which is now taking care. We are coming back to normal, but we have not yet become normal. It may take some time till the vaccine really starts working. And
Yeah.
meanwhile, Ram Janmabhoomi came during lockdown. Our PM started talking to everybody. Man Ki Baat was very important. And we were impressed by everybody. I was impressed by so many things that was happening. So
That's
I never felt the lockdown like a jail. I took a
right.
lockdown as a positive things. By my
That's
nature, I'm very positive. So
that.
lockdown was not a trouble.
So that is something unique about you, because you enjoy whatever the situation comes. And आप
Absolutely.
और एक चीज आप बोल रहे थे ना कि गुड हेल्थ की वजह से साइड इफेक्ट होता है, इतनी सारी चीज कर सकते हैं। एक और चीज बोलना चाहूंगी, गुड हार्ट की वजह से भी साइड इफेक्ट होता है, क्योंकि आप इतनी सारी चीजें देते हो लोगों को। तो
Good
दिस
heart,
इज
everybody. See, uh, uh, everybody has good heart. I can tell you that much. God has given one heart to everybody.
यस
Heart is good, but our circumstances sometimes make you angry. Circumstances make you a different person than what you are. So it is in
राइट
your hand. I also, at till this age, must have gone lot of hassles in my life.
राइट
Everybody's life is like a Sensex. It goes down, it goes up. It's like this. And every living being, from ant to elephant, has to face problems. One
राइट
has to understand that if you're a living being, smallest to biggest, poor to richest, has to face problems. Rich people have bigger problems, small people have smaller problems, but we
राइट
have to face. So it is in our hands how you face them. If you
राइट
keep on crying, मेरे साथ भगवान ने ऐसे क्यों किया, भगवान ने ऐसे क्यों किया, भगवान ने हमको पैदा करके नीचे भेजा माँ बाप के थ्रू. Now you be strong to face your problems
फेस योर
and don't trouble others with your problems. Whoever
प्रॉब्लम।
meets me knows me. My problems, if it is connected with you, I will discuss with you and sort it out. If it is
आप
connected with my husband, I'll discuss with him and sort it out. My children, but I will not take my problem to the public. अरे मेरे बच्चे ऐसे हैं, अरे मेरा husband ऐसे है. Everybody should face problems with a smile. And smile keeps the face value. You know, आजकल सब लोग selfie और photo लेने में busy है. So keep the smile alive. So
That's
problems have to be faced. Problems have to be faced. There is no running away. And keep in mind, after every darkness, the sun shines. Every cloud has a silver lining. So if you have that in mind, and your shoulder should be strong enough to
right.
take somebody else's problems, not that you become a problem for others. So that is my
Absolutely.
funda. That is my funda. See, if you're strong, your children will be strong. But if you keep
Right.
on crying, if you keep on cribbing, if you keep on fighting for small things, children will get affected. So why you want them to get affected? They are beloved. They are your own children. So just be smiling and facing. Face with a smile is my another funda of good health.
Right,
And
right,
side
right.
effects of, side effects are many. You go live, you become famous. My famous is due to my fitness only. I've not achieved anything in my life except fitness. So these are side effects of my fitness.
Good health.
So
Right. Absolutely, absolutely. आंटी ऐसे ही साइड इफेक्ट सबको होना चाहिए, राइट? ओके आंटी, आई वांट टू डू, अभी आप एंगर की बात कर रहे थे, तो एंगर से मुझे याद आया, आप एंगर के बारे में बताइए कि आप अपना एंगर कैसे मैनेज करते हो, आप एंगर के बारे में क्या सोचते हो और आप कैसे अपने आप को इतना काम रख पाते हो?
see, one funda of my life, anger has to be with your own people only. You don't get angry with outsiders. So if my
Absolutely.
own people, if I get angry with my children, then I feel अरे मैंने तो पैदा किए हैं, अभी छोटे हैं, मेरे से कम experience है, so why get angry with them? So I
Right.
start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, and I calm down. If it is my husband, my in, you can get angry with anybody for a small to the big thing. But then I feel कि I have seen one thing: getting angry affects your own health. BP
Yes.
and anger, they are directly proportional to each other.
Yes,
If
yes.
you are angry, your BP will go up. If your BP is up, you'll get angry. So if you can control your anger, your BP will be in order. So what is important, anger or BP? BP is important. Anger you'll
Yes.
overcome. Your children will be goody goody after 10 minutes. You will start going back to yourself. But if your BP is gone haywire, it is gone forever. Tension gives you sugar. Tension gives you so many others there. Hypertension gives you so many diseases. I don't suffer from anybody, so I don't know what it is like. I've only heard what is
Right.
cholesterol, what is thyroid. I have not seen in my own self. But when I hear from others, it is painful that what they are going early morning, they keep आज ये tablet लेना है, अभी ये tablet लेना है. They have to mentally prepare themselves. अभी खाना खाने के बाद ये लेना है. It's not their fault. Sometimes human error also makes you. Sometimes calamity or natural calamity also takes your life away. It's a split of a second that your life goes haywire. I'm proud of my health, no doubt. But I know while talking to you, 1 second is enough to put me off. So just be prepared for that 1 second. But getting angry for small things is not going to help anybody. If you're angry with me, if you're angry with me, your health will get affected. If I'm angry with you, my health will get affected. For me, my health is my life partner. So why should I get affected? And as I thank God, I am not suffering from anything. I am not suffering from, I don't take a single tablet till today. So
That's
I
it.
have to take care of, yes, touch wood, but I have to take care of how to keep healthy. So getting angry is one of the
Right.
worst things. One of the worst. You can get angry with your mother, but you don't realize your mother is doing good for you. Unnecessarily, nobody gets
Right.
angry with anyone. There has to be a reason. I have learned one thing in my life. My husband has taught me: if you're right, I am not wrong. So think that way.
Right.
If she is right, if she thinks she's right, and I think I am not wrong. So let us patch up, sit
Right.
opposite each other, discuss the matter, and smile, and thoda sa shakkar muh mein dal do, and then keep that sweetness in your mouth and smile. That I have done that many times. I've controlled my anger, not in the lockdown, but pre-lockdown. I know how to control my anger, and my
That's
children
nice.
also know. When my children knows when mummy is very quiet means something we have done that has upset her. It's not anger, it's the upset. I'm also a human being. I'm not saying I'm God and I never get angry. I do get angry. But मुझे वो anger दुख में convert करती हूँ कि मैं मुझे दुख हुआ है या मैं upset हूँ. But I'm never angry. I have thought about it 100 and 1,000 times. Anger is not good for anybody. And by your anger, other person's health may get affected. So why should I be responsible affecting somebody else's health? So I don't want to be. Absolutely.
That's nice.
Anger is in your hand. Absolutely. Thank you so much.
No,
All who are
serious-
listening, please control your anger.
That is what I want to say. मतलब आंटी से हमें ये बहुत बड़ा एसेट मिल सकता है अगर हम ध्यान से सुने तो, बिकॉज एंगर मैनेज करना ही सबसे डिफिकल्ट चीज होती है. और आप अवेयर हो आंटी एंड यू आर जस्ट कॉन्शियसली वर्किंग ऑन योर एंगर. दैट इज रियली अमेजिंग, बिकॉज एक्चुअली में एंगर को मैनेज कर लेंगे ना तो वी फील सो पीसफुल, वी फील सो काम एंड वी फील रियली कंटेंट फ्रॉम आवर ओन सेल्फ. So why we should get anger on, you know? So actually consciously even I have started working, so I know कि how it help us, but बहुत मुश्किल होता है, but it is not impossible actually. So दोस्तों please try करें.
Nothing
और
is
जो मैंने
nothing is impossible. Nothing.
yeah, nothing
Everything is
impossible.
possible.
Yeah.
Nothing is impossible. Yes.
जो आपको
But
starting में
but what is impossible is taking natural calamity. You can't help it. Anything can happen. One earthquake is enough to shatter your life. Or accident.
Right.
I can take care of my health, but due to human error, अगर किसी का accident हो गया, so it is not done deliberately, human error. So your life can be shattered. It's not in your hands, but getting angry on that person, you are adding to your problems. So just
absolutely.
peacefully sort out the problems. Peacefully. Do everything peacefully.
No, that's nice.
So
That's
from
really
today, you
nice.
are not going to get angry with anybody.
Yeah, I actually given everybody, you know, that idea of having an anger fast. You know, we should have this trending. हमें anger fast को इतना trending बनाना है, इतना trending बनाना है कि सब शुरू कर दे anger fasting. You know, फिर धीरे धीरे गुस्सा आना कम हो जाएगा, लोग गुस्से नहीं होंगे, झगड़ा नहीं होगा, and there will be so much of peace around us.
Absolutely.
You know, it's amazing. Yeah.
I'll add one thing. We normally don't eat when we are angry. When a person is angry,
Right.
मुझे खाना नहीं चाहिए, वो थाली फेंक देते हैं. I have seen not only in TV serials and pictures, but in practical life. But
Yeah.
missing a meal due to anger or due to whatever reason is going to make your brain upset. If your stomach is hungry, it's going to emotionally affect you. So don't miss a meal even if you're angry. Eat something light just to drink a glass of cold water, not cold water, drink a glass of energy drink so that you cool down peacefully and you have a thought, why did I go angry? Even if it is fault, he's a bacha. Even if it is fault, he's elder to me. I need to respect that person. So
True.
you'll automatically and never miss a meal unless you're fasting. Fast, but you change your meal. Like you eat something light, you will not eat roti chapati. But missing a meal due to anger is going to affect you terribly. So never miss a meal due to anger. If you're fasting, it's a different thing. It's your mind strong. It's to make your mind strong. It is for dieting. It is for this health. But if you're missing a meal due to anger or taking your anger on your opposite person, whoever it can be your husband, your mother-in-law, your parents, it's going to affect them because they love you. So why should you get angry, not eat what is cooked? अन्नदान को कभी इंसल्ट नहीं करना है. अन्न दान के लिए होता है, चाहे अपने लिए दान करो चाहे दूसरों के लिए दान करो. सो अन्न का इंसल्ट मत करो बिकॉज यू आर एंग्री. सो एंगर में भी थोड़ा कुछ खा लिया करो, so you will become full very fast.
That's so nice. That's so nice. See, auntie has explained so beautifully ताकि हम सब ये चीज करें. And really, auntie, I am very sure कि किसी ना किसी को तो फर्क मतलब इस चीज का impact पड़ेगा ही और and the people will start doing it and getting benefit from it. So, auntie, my last question with you will be, what is your advice to all of us? आपकी वो ऐसी कौन सी एडवाइस होगी हम सबके लिए
No
ताकि हम भी
advice. We all are no advice. We all are matured. We all
Right.
know what the health is all about. We all
Right.
know what our family is all about. So, like you give your child so much time, give yourself 1 hour, 2 hours, depending on your stamina. Like for me, 1 hour is enough because I'm 75. Though I give more than 1 hour, I feel Jharu Bartan is part of exercise. So
Right.
I don't think I am working. I am doing exercise. If I have that in mind, and I don't believe in status. अरे क्या status? मेरे पास बड़ी गाड़ी नहीं है, so I'll keep on troubling my family just because neighbor has bought a new car. I should have a car. Don't have those. Depending on your family, depending on your bank balance, only you will be taken care of.
Right.
So forget about your ego, forget
Right.
about your status, only work for your body, which is your life partner. Once again, I'm saying, and messages give yourself control give 2 hours if you're young. Go walking and running. I have seen people going in the AC car to do cycling in the gym. I feel so funny. I feel very funny. The person, when I was gymming, I had two friends. They used to come in the AC car. They were staying about 15 minutes walk. And then they would come in the AC car and then show off, talk about the cars, and they do cycling. So I used to feel, why not come cycling or why not come walking and do cycling in the gym? We
Right.
can't have all those accessories in our house about gymming. My house is not big enough like celebrities to have gym in my house. So I
Right.
need to pay and go to gym. So I used to go and cycle. I used to not take heavy things, but I've got prizes in my push-ups, in my squats. I
Wow.
in my gym also I got the cooking prize, a preliminary master chef round. Somebody came from master chef and we took our dishes in the gym. Ladies were invited and I got first prize. So cooking has also been my passion. Cooking has been more
Okay.
than a hobby for me. I feel that instead of eating somebody else's cooked food, I can do it myself. That myself is very important. It is not ego. It is the hygiene. The way I will cook, probably the cook may not cook. The cook has so many problems she has left in the house. And she'll come and make biryani in my house.
Right.
And she will think, oh my God, what I will go and eat at home. I cannot pack the food for the family and send her. And once again,
Right.
because my health is permitting, I am doing it. So my own cooking passion, running passion, messages give yourself time, enough time to do exercise, be cool, and talk to amazing live people. And Sheetal, who is doing such a wonderful job, bringing
Thank
inspiring stories. So maybe one of the days she will call you as an inspiring story, like today she has invited me. So just take care of your health. Health is wealth. Attain it and retain it. ऐसे नहीं कि मैंने 2 दिन walk किया तो I will be healthy. No.
Right.
You take your child for a walk. You take your child for playing. For what? So that he gets the fresh air. He gets the energy. It's for his future health. Likewise, continue with yourself. Not that मेरे घर में इतने लोग हैं तो इतने लोग काम करने के लिए भी हैं, इतने लोग आपको सपोर्ट करने के लिए भी, घर में भी आप वॉक कर सकते हो. If your child is very small, you can't go out, you can't leave the child alone. Do walking at home, do exercise at home. There are so many live programs which show you aerobics, yoga, so many other things. So do for 45 minutes to 1 hour and keep your health in your hands. It's not one day's job. It is not one day's job. Yeah, it's not a short lived. It has to be just like you don't eat for 2 days, you're going to be lazy, you're going to be tired. Same way, if you don't do exercise for 4 5 days or couple of days, it is going to show on your face that you are lethargic, you feel lazy, you'll go on eating without consuming your calories. You have to burn your calories.
Absolutely.
You have to burn, like going to the washroom early morning is very important. You cannot do without that. Drinking water is very important. Eating food is very important. Exercise is very important. And one exercise may keep you boring. One day you do aerobics, one day you do swimming, one day you do yoga. It will keep you and you alive. You meet different people, you meet different coaches who will inspire you. I tell you, Kumar sir has been encouraging me so much. Ajit Rajni, Ajit Pathak has been inspiring me and encouraging me. Milind Soman, the founder of Pinkathon, Hima Sangvi, there are so many people, endless. I'm connected with the doctors group. It's known as Corona. I'm not a doctor, but they gave me a participation certificate. So it gives you, oh my God, at this age, I can do so much, even coordinating, doing a PR work. It's going to give you happiness. I am not a doctor, I am not an instructor, but then getting connected. My son's friend got corona, so we got him admitted without meeting the person, without doctor's involvement. One doctor helped me to connect with the other doctor. I connected with the Wockhardt Hospital, and the person got admitted. So those things are very important, which you can do only if you're healthy. So health is honestly a win. Health keeps you going, health keeps you healthy and brings a smile. If you're sick and you have to count your tablets, please don't do that. From now only, I'm talking to youngsters. Give yourself, and once the sickness comes, sickness is very devilish thing. It comes, it refuses to go. It's not corona that you take an injection. Thyroid, heart ailments, BP, sugar, it lives with you for your lifetime. So don't let it enter your body. I'm blessed. I'm no doubt I'm blessed. But you will be blessed if you take care of it. I've been fond of running, walking from my childhood. I had so many prizes. I used to get utensils, cooker, milk cooker, chalnis. It was important. That time medals and trophies were not the end thing. We used to get prizes like crockery, cutlery, stainless steel, burtons. So they are still with me. Even before my marriage, what I got, my mother gave me as a dowry. Can now take your prizes with you. Now my house is full of trophies, medals. It's another side effects of good health. Getting recognition. Somewhere you are invited as guest of honor. Somewhere you are invited as a chief guest. Somewhere you are invited as a speaker. So it is all connected with the good health. And these are side effects of good health.
Good health.
So I believe strongly everybody should take care of their health. And then don't blame God. God is not to be blamed. He has to be only thanked. So don't say, अगर मेरे को कोई मुसीबत आई, so I cannot say, भगवान आपको मैं ही मिली थी क्या? और कोई मिला नहीं. But I will say, oh, God has given me this in my destiny. I will smile and face it, be it anything. And I will not cry over a split milk. दूध फट गया तो फट गया, वो वापस दूध नहीं बनेगा. So don't cry over it. But उसमें से आप मक्खन बना सकते हो, उसमें से आप मावा बना सकते हो. You recycle the फटा हुआ milk also. Instead of crying, go and get fresh milk for tea and make use of this split milk. So it's how you take your problems. Your problems in your hands. Don't trouble others with your problems. So I've led my life like that. I want everybody to have one thing in mind: face the problems with a smile, do exercise every day, and nothing else. You all are matured. You are more mature than me, more educated than me. I am pre-partition child, 1945 born, and I'm a science graduate. I was very good in my academics. I was very good in sports, but my financial conditions did not make me a doctor. So there's working for others is in my veins, and I come from I don't say middle class family. No family is middle class or lower class. We are born in a decent family with decent parents, decent siblings. So we are blessed in so many ways. So thank God for whatever He has given you.
Yes.
Don't keep on saying, "Arey, mere."
Yeah.
Don't blame God for anything. Don't blame politicians. They are doing good job for whatever possible in their hands. Be
Right.
even if you are in the opposition, give a healthy opposition. Don't don't make the things worse for a person who's working. So
Right.
my funda of life is but smile. That's it. The first thing I get up in the morning, I see my mother's photo because she's been my guru, she's been my creator. So I tell her, Mama, when will you call me? She says, wait, do some more social work today. Bring a smile on one face today. So I say, oh, I can smile and do something good. And then there are so many routine works also. It's not only you do good job. You do so much routine works also. You can't neglect that. So bringing a smile on one face, and each one teach one underprivileged children, do educate them to bring India educated country and inspire everybody. Each one inspire one, so everybody remains happy.
That
So
amazing.
that is
really amazing, आंटी. Really मन तो कर रहा है ना कि आपको सुनते ही जाए, सुनते ही जाए, सुनते ही जाए. अब इतनी अच्छी अच्छी बातें कर रहे हो. You are talking so good that really, we are feeling like it's really wonderful to hear you so good. But we have a time crunch, so we have
how many
to.
more minutes? How many more minutes we have? I have only 2 sentences to add.
Yeah.
Do
Yes.
work
Yes.
as a volunteer. Do work as a volunteer for River March project. You will see rivers flowing in Mumbai, and work for Zero Slum. We are not saying slum people are bad or we have to close our nose. Give them a dignified life. When they bring newspaper, milk, they all come from lower middle class. Bring a smile. Keep a smile when you are accepting a milk, when you are accepting a newspaper. Don't give them a look that they are workers. No, don't do
Right.
that. If you smile, they smile, world will smile with you. Make India a beautiful place to live with River March and Zero Slum. You will see beautiful infrastructure in Mumbai. I may not be there, but you all are going to be there to see beautiful Mumbai.
Auntie, you have such a lovely intentions and you have such a lovely, heart, and you talk so good, and you not only talk, you are actually doing it. You are actually implementing things. You are doing it, all those things you're talking about. And that is phenomenal about you. I am very sure whoever will see this live will definitely follow what you are saying, all these things about. And we are so grateful to have you. Really, it was worth having you here, because I am very sure many people are going to get inspired by your talk. And सबसे main बात तो ये है दोस्तों, ये जो
But
आंटी.
before I end, Sheetal, before I end,
Yes, tell
Before
me.
I end, don't throw
Yeah.
plastic here and there. Don't throw plastic in the beaches, water bodies. It is not good for water species. Please don't
Right.
throw plastic. Collect dry plastic. There is a project Mumbai who are collecting plastic and recycling and making useful things. Connect with me through Sheetal and I will tell you what these projects are. And please work towards it. You are not working only for you and your family, but for India. Beautiful India we have to make. We are
That's
part of India.
That's great. Even we are actually, Auntie, I will discuss with you later. We are also going with one project of dry waste and wet waste. We will be coming up with that soon, because everybody should have two dustbins in their house, so that the segregation work should be done from the home itself. And
Absolutely.
yes, so
Absolutely.
yeah, so I am working on that. We are working as a team on that project. And once it will get finalized, then we will be doing live and awareness for that campaign, actually. So, yeah.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
So,
Absolutely fine. So lovely connecting with you. Thank you so much. Those who are listening, please volunteer in different projects and get involved for better India.
yes, yes, आंटी, absolutely. मुझे पूरा यकीन है कि जो भी सुन रहे हैं उन्होंने आपकी कॉन्वर्सेशन जरूर सुनी है. And it was really mind blowing, and really it was inspiring, actually impactful conversation था ये. So I am very sure benefit तो होगा ही होगा, and blessing तो मिलेगी ही आपको, really, because आप इतने conviction से बोल रहे थे. It was really amazing. So Auntie, thank you so much for joining us. Keep inspiring, keep smiling, and just be flawless the way you are. You're really awesome and you're really inspiring. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you so much. Connect with the marathons after this thing and keep running. Thank you so much.
That's great. That's great.
Thanks a lot, Chika.
दोस्तों आज हमने आंटी को सुना. She is doing so much, and the way she's encouraging people to do so many things like she's doing it. So really I am very sure आप में से जो भी ये सुन रहा है या देख रहा है वो उन्हें रियली कुछ ना कहीं कुछ तो एंकर के ऊपर या वॉलंटियरिंग के ऊपर या कुछ ना कुछ तो स्ट्राइक हुआ होगा. एंड प्लीज डू स्टार्ट मेकिंग दैट चेंजेस. A small changes will make a big difference in life. So keep smiling and keep having a great day. And the most important, anger fast को मत भूलना. Anger fast जरूर करें. जब भी आप ये लाइव देख रहे हो, एक हफ्ते का anger fast करें, and really you will see the difference in yourself, and you will start doing it more, and this will work for you. So keep smiling, keep inspiring, and thank you, Auntie, so much once again. And we are just winding up. Bye for now, everyone.
Thank you so
Take
much.
care.
Thanks a
Yeah.
lot.